Okay, I'm just gonna tell you here what I'm thinking. So this is what I do. I went to the nominations tab, and then I click add nominations to remember what is it that we need. Energy company, of course, Paramount. Unload, I don't know. Initial date, I don't know. End date, I don't know. And volume. But we know that these are the four columns that we need to find somehow. So initially, I think the volume, looking at this data, I think the volume is this green bar that I highlighted in green because it says forecast total. So I'm guessing that's a volume. I'm thinking that status we should probably be looking at accepted, but I don't want to filter that right now, and just in case. But we can, just in case, so you know how to filter it. It's like here. Okay. So now when I pull the data, it asks me which year and which month. So I say, okay, give me January 2020, and it give me this information just so you have that background information. Now, what's the unload location? So it says here front, so I'm guessing front is the load location. That's not the unload location, but I see only front here. Oh, it says here to facility. So facility code, maybe, I don't think we're filtering by code. So if I go back here, how do I know where they're going? So I filter here by Paramount, and then I click una hold that is going somewhere. Let's say Car Gold Creek. Okay, I click on this one, then I click on this one. Okay, so this gives me the terminal code. It will be nice because maybe I didn't have some kind of code there. Maybe we can match it by that. So no, maybe we can do it by longitude. I don't know, let's try to copy and then search that here. So how would it search? It's like Ctrl F this. So I guess there's not much. That's not data that we can use. Let me just make this browser less wide. So oh, here LSD, maybe LSD, hopefully. But the LSD, remember, there are sometimes spelled different ways. So I do this to see if I can find a match. No match, zero matches. 6. Okay, so I found this one. 6. I don't know what it's even at. 6, 18, 66. Very, oh, 6, 18, 66. So, okay. 6, 18, 66. 04, W6. Okay, so I think we might have found a clue here. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight this thing in green. I don't know what that could be. Now let's look at this. Oh, this is a front facility. It doesn't make sense. What would they find that in the front facility? That's a unload location, right? So, and there's only one match for that. I don't know. So the last thing I can try here is like this one. Let's see if we can find a match for that. No. Gold Creek. No. Car. Not even. Car. Okay. So when this is kind of positive when I search for car, it highlights this one, which is next to this one. It's interesting. So there's something about that one that we're matching. So maybe no car, but then Gold Creek. Gold. So I see here Gold Creek, and I think it says Gold Creek Terminal, but then those numbers doesn't ring a bell. But this is what I'm guessing, like it should be two, because it says two facility. Tervita, but here, look, Tervita. These columns is familiar to me, right? These names. So maybe this is the one somehow. Okay. But why there's nothing here about Gold Creek? Gold Creek. Oh no. Sister Vida, Gold Creek. I don't know if that's the same thing as Car Gold Creek. Well, it only says Creek, doesn't say Gold. Anyway, that's where I am right now. Just so you have an idea of what I'm trying to do. So I did request it, Mark. Like, hey, Mark, can you give me here one nomination that you have for this month? Okay, because I'm thinking that if you give me one nomination, then I can kind of cross-reference that nomination, try to find it here in this document, and then if I find it here, maybe I can interpret that data. I don't know if you're on that channel, but if he replies, I'll let you know. So far, this is what I'm thinking, just so you know. If you have an idea, then